another day, another English lesson. The most, at most, and for the most part. Hello, everyone. Today, let's look at how to use the most, at most, and for the most part. These phrases are very common in English, and once you understand them, you'll be able to use them confidently in everyday conversations. The most, in superlative forms. When we use the most to compare things, we talk about the largest amount or the highest degree of something. Think of it as the opposite of the least. Examples: she has the most homework in the class. This is the most expensive shirt in the store. You can use the most with adjectives, like expensive, interesting, or difficult, to show that something has the greatest amount of that quality. At most. Maximum or upper limit. The phrase at most means the maximum amount or the largest possible number of something, but not more. Examples: the meeting will last at most an hour. You can bring at most 2 friends. For the most part, generally true. The phrase for the most part is used to mean generally or usually. It doesn't mean always. It means something is true in most cases. Examples: for the most part, the students were happy with the lesson. The movie was good for the most part, but the ending was weak. Quick summary. The most equals the largest amount or highest degree, superlative. At most equals maximum amount or upper limit. For the most part equals generally true. Now watch and complete the sentences with the most, at most, or for the most part. One, the exam will take at most 2 hours. Two, for the most part, the weather here is warm and sunny. Three, she is the student who studies the most in the class. Four, the show will last at most 45 minutes. Five, of all the students, she spoke the most during the presentation. Six, for the most part, the book was interesting, but the last chapter was boring. Seven, this is the most expensive restaurant in town. Eight, I can spend at most $10 on lunch. Nine, for the most part, the food at that restaurant is delicious, though sometimes the service is slow. I hope you'll watch more worldwide ELT English language learning videos soon. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.